on, guys? This is Shane or Shoookiez here. We are back with a long overdue video of my whole setup tour that I've been working on for the past couple months. Today is November 2nd, so I'm going to showcase what I have up to date today, and everything will be listed down in the description. And leave a like and comment, subscribe, and without further ado, here's the setup. So when you first walk in my room, you pretty much just see my bed in the chair and the setup to the right here. To the left, we have my Leopard Gecko. He's actually on top of his sleep hide right now, just chilling. He's out. They come out dusk to dawn for the most part. And then my TV mounted on the wall. And then this is like a gaming chair off of Amazon. We got it for like 110 bucks. Nothing crazy expensive. Definitely does the job as far as like being somewhat comfortable. And then this, thought this would be cool for the Twitch stream, like on the background. So if I like bring up OBS, if I can get to it, you can kind of see it on the background right there. But definitely looks cool. And as far as the Juice WRLD poster on the background, that's pretty much made out of like acrylic clear print on it. And then I have some Pokemon cards that I have on there. And then as far as the main setup goes, I have two dual stack monitors, both MSI. One's a 24-inch, one's a 32-inch curved. It's pretty much considered an ultra wide version in their series. The bottom one is 2560 by 1080, and then the top one's just 1080p monitor. I use the bottom one for the PC and editing, watching YouTube videos, stuff like that. The top one I use to host OBS on and run Xbox on. And as far as the Xbox goes, I have the new Series S. I was going to get the black one, but the white one came in stock. And with COVID happening, it's been hard to get a lot of stuff. Speaking hard to get a lot of stuff, this is my PC. This probably took me a little bit over 2 months to build. There's a lot of really nice parts in here that I'm glad I got. A lot of it I really got on sale. So it has an i7-10700K, 3060 Ti graphics card, 16 gigabytes of G-Skill Trident Royal RAM, and a couple other little bits like the NZXT fans that I don't have on right now. I need to get the controller box hooked up for it. The motherboard is a B560 by ASUS. Has an NZXT AIO cooler with the red in front, in the black NZXT case. Other than that, it's pretty much it for the PC specs. This is pretty much the controllers I have, or the one has the paddles on the back that I use for PC. As far as the webcam goes, is a Logitech C920 Pro. Really good 1080p 60 FPS. Don't really have much complaints about it, which when I did hook it up at first, I had audio issues for like 3 days where I was sounding like I was going into like radiation or something. It was weird. But as far as sound quality goes, I don't have any speakers or anything. All I have is the Razer Kraken in white. I love this headset. It's amazing. It's really good looking. It complements the controller and the keyboard. And the other headset I have is the HyperX Clouds for the Xbox that are wireless. Other than that, that's pretty much my main setup. This is what I look at pretty much a few hours out of the day. If you want to catch me on a stream or at Twitch, I'll link it up or put it in the top corner. I'll link it down in the description below. Other than that, this has been Shoookiez. Peace.